ready to leave the city's chaos behind and rediscover wellness in our countryside healing spa. Welcome to Devi's Sanctuary, our Ayurveda rituals healing escape. Your path to balance, harmony, and rejuvenation begins here. Take a journey with us from the frantic pace of city life to the serene heart of the countryside. We chose our new location to create a haven of Ayurveda healing and tranquility. We are located in beautiful Northumberland County, only 1 hour drive from Toronto. Immerse yourself in the healing traditions of Ayurveda, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the countryside. Allow us to guide you on a journey to rediscover balance and harmony. We use only the finest natural Ayurveda ingredients sourced from the heart of nature. Feel the healing power of these age-old remedies. A holistic Ayurveda experience is incomplete without nourishing your body. Guests will join us in our dining area as we present our delectable Ayurvedic cuisine. Raise your glass to health and well-being as you savor the flavors of Ayurveda. It's not just a meal, it's a journey towards a healthier you. Reserve your spot today and join us on this transformative journey of Ayurveda healing. Come for an hour session or experience the full journey of a 3-day stay at our healing retreat. Experience Ayurveda like never before.